Hi everyone, I am Ridhima and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will paint on a t-shirt. All you need is any t-shirt or any cloth and acrylic paints. I will be using Fevicryl acrylic paints and brushes. So let's get started.
I am using a white t-shirt here. I will leave the lower part and this will be the area I will make the design so that it is pretty visible even if I want to tuck the t-shirt. Now I will mark the center of the t-shirt. First I will measure the length and mark the midpoint. Similarly, I will measure the breadth and mark the midpoint. Now this will be the center of my drawing area. This is optional. Take a thali or any flat surface, insert it inside the t-shirt, stretch it and then tie it with a rubber band. This will help me stretch my working area of the t-shirt and it will be easier for me to paint. Now I will take a compass and draw 3 circles like this. It can be a bit challenging to hold the compass on a fabric, but it's fine, don't worry, we need to take an idea only, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now I will use a pencil to make the outline of my design. I will use acrylic paints. First I will take light green color and draw a curved line like this. Now I will make a triangle at the end. Now using the same color I will make an oval. I'll make sure that the circle, the oval that I am making is thick enough. Now I will take navy blue color and make a circle with a slight opening in it. Like this. Keep in mind that you don't have to be perfect. Enjoy the process, and even if Your circle isn't a perfect circle, it's completely fine. The end result will still be very beautiful. I will completely fill the circle with the navy blue color. Now I need to use sky blue color, but my set of color doesn't have it, so I will mix navy blue color with white and will give outline to my navy blue circle. A very thick outline like this. One thing we need to take care is that we need to apply this color very fast. Acrylic colors dry very fast when they are out of bottle or tube. Now I will take orange color and make an oval. Now again I will pick the light green color and fill the remaining area. For the feathers, I will make slightly curved strokes. Start from the line and just slide the brush upwards. We just have to make slightly curved lines in one stroke and some straight lines as well, like this. Similarly, I will make hair as well. I will now take dark green color and make outline on the light green color area, and similarly we'll take red color to outline the orange part and navy blue color to highlight the sky blue color area. I will make 3 circles to complete my design. I will start with pink color. And then orange color. And finally the yellow color. I'll make these circles thick.
After all these steps, all you need to do is take your t-shirt, and after 24 hours or when the paint is dry, make sure the paint is dry, and now reverse your t-shirt and iron it on the back side of your design so that the paint will remain intact.
And voila, we are done.
Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon. I'll see you guys in my next video. Tada!